Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today's Thursday, October 28, 2021. It is 3:13 and 1 second a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, bone mineral. So let's hop to it here. Bone mineral density decreases less than expected after menopause. Date October 27, 2021. Source, University of Eastern Finland. Bone mineral density at the femoral neck bone in postmenopausal women decreased by an average of 10% during a 25-year follow-up, according to a new study. Being the world's hitherto longest follow-up of changes in bone mineral density in postmenopausal women, the study shows that bone loss after menopause is significantly lower than has previously been assumed on the basis of earlier studies. The Coopia Osteoporosis Risk Factor and Prevention Study began in 1989 with a health survey that was sent to all women aged 47 to 56 living in the Coopia region, eastern Finland. A total of 14,200 women received the survey, and it has been repeated at 5-year intervals. In addition, a randomized sample of 3,000 women have participated in bone mineral density measurements every 5 years. The study is still ongoing, with 30-year measurements currently underway. The average decrease in bone mineral density was lower than has been assumed on the basis of earlier, shorter follow-ups, where the bone loss rate at the femoral neck has been estimated to be even more than 20%. There were also surprisingly few risk factors affecting bone mineral density. The most significant factor protecting against bone loss was hormone replacement therapy. Weight gain during the follow-up also protected against bone loss. And this new long-term follow-up of bone mineral density sheds significant new light on osteoporosis and bone research, and also changes our understanding of bone loss in older women. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.